Good morning, children. Last class we have started the new lesson, that is fractions. We have learned to write the equivalent fractions and reduce the fractions we have learned. Today we are going to study about compare the fractions, which is greater or larger. Okay, children. Now comparing and ordering of a fractions. How can we identify the fraction is greater or less than? For example, they give 5 by 6 or 13 by 15. Which one is greater? You will identify, children. So we have to do, what we have to do? We have to multiply one fractions with the denominator of the other fractions. Then multiply these fractions with the other fractions with the denominator. So I will take this 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6. That 5 by 6 I will multiply with the denominator of the other fractions. That is 5 into 15, then 6 into 15. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 1 5s are 5, 75, 15 5s are 75. So 15 6 are how much, children? 90, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 1 6 are 6 plus 3, 9. So 75 by 90. Now 5 by 6 fractions I multiply with the denominator of the other fraction. Now 13 by 15 I will take. Then I multiply with the other fraction of the denominator. Okay, so 13 multiplied by 6 and 6, sorry children, 15 multiplied by 6. So 13 6 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 7 7, then 15 6 is 90. Okay. So we got for 5 by 6 is 75 by 90 and 13 by 15 is 78 by 90. So here denominator are same. We are making denominator is same. So 75 is greater or 78 is greater? 78 is greater. So 5 by 6, then 13 by 15. Which one is greater, children? This one is greater. Compare these two fractions. This is greater. So that is 13 by 15 is greater than 5 by 6. Okay. So how can you compare them? Make denominator is same. Okay. So you have to make a denominator common. What you have to do? You have to multiply one fraction with the denominator of the other fraction. See, 5 by 6 fraction I multiplied with the denominator of the other fraction. That is 5 into 15 is 75. 6 into 15 is 90. So again I took 13 by 15 that fractions I multiplied with the denominator of the other fraction. That is 13 into 6 and 15 into 6. So I got 78 by 90. So 75 by 90 is greater or 78 by 90 is greater? So 78 is greater. So I written 5 by 6 is less than 13 by 15. So this 13 by 15 is greater. So I put the number this side. Okay, children. So that I coming to activity 3. By 7 or 6 by 11. Okay. So you have to know this is common. That is what? When numerator are same, smaller denominator is the greater. So 6 by 7 is greater. This is compared to 6 by 11. Because you have learnt in previous class, that is in 4th standard, that when numerator are same, denominator smaller value is the greater. Okay. So by 6 by 7 is greater than 6 by 11. So you want to clarify means you can clarify. 6 by 7 fraction, the 6 by 7 by 7 fraction multiply with the other fraction of 11. So how much? 6 11s are 11 6 are 66, 11 7s are 77. Okay. So next 6 by 11 fraction multiply with the other fraction of the denominator 7. 6 7s are 42, 11 7s are 77. See, denominator are common. So 66 is greater or 42 is greater? 66 is greater. So which fraction that is 6 by 7 is for this one? So 42 by 77 is 6 by 11. So which fraction is greater? I said 66. That fraction is 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 is greater than 6 by 11. Why means? Because when numerator are same, denominator smaller value is the greater. So 6 by 7 is greater. Now 3 by 7, then 5 by 7. In this, which one is greater, children? 5 by 7 is greater. Okay, why means when denominator are same, numerator greater is greater, smaller is smaller. So 3 by 7 compared to 5 by 7, 5 by 7 is greater because denominator are same. Numerator which is greater, that is the greater value. Clarify, that is 3 by 7 fraction multiplied by denominator of the 7. So 3 sevens are 21, 7 sevens are 49. Next, 5 by 7 multiplied by the denominator of the 7. 5 sevens are 35. 7 sevens are 49. 21 is greater or 35 is greater? Because denominator is common, 49, 49. So, see the numerator, 21 is greater or 35 is greater? 35 is greater. That is which fraction? 5 by 7. So, 5 by 7 is greater. Okay, children. Now, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means what? From small number to big number, you have to arrange this. Okay. The second means ascending order means small to big. Okay. First one. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15, then 1 by 2. Okay, children. So you have to find the LCM for the denominator, that is 5, 10, 15 and 2. You have to find the LCM. So you know that is 5, 0 is there in one's place and 5 is there, is will go from 5 table. Divisibility test, 5 ones are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 will not go, I will take down, carry the 2 there. Again 2 ones are, 3 will not go, I will carry 3, 2 ones are. Again I will take 3, 3 ones are. Okay children, now 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. LCM is 30. First you have to find the LCM for the denominator. Then for each fractions you put the LCM. Okay. See. 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15, 1 by 2 by LCM is 30. Okay. See. 4 have to multiply from which? You know that 5 ones are, 5 6 are. So 4 have to multiply from 6. Okay. Then 10 3s are 30. So 7 have to multiply from 3. 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30 LCM. Okay. So 8 have to multiply with the 2. 8 2s are 8 into 2. Next this one 2 15s are. So 1 into 15. See 15 2s are 30. 15 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 6 5s are 30. So LCM is what children? 30. So 4 6 are 24, 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16, 1 15s are 15. So you know the LCM is 30 for each fractions, you can put now 30. So ascending order means what? I make common for all the fractions, I made as a common 30. Okay, denominator. So you have to see the now numerator. Which one is small first? Is 16. Okay, 16 by 30. For 16 by 30 is which one? 8 by 15. Okay children, 8 by 15. Next number after 16, sorry 15 is there. 15 by 30, which fraction that is? This one. Okay, 1 by 2 first. Next 16 by 30, which fraction that is this? 8 by 15. Next 21. 21 is which one? 7 by 10. Next, 24 by 30, that is 4 by 5. See, I arrange the fraction in ascending. See children, first you have to find the LCM for the denominator, and for each fraction you simplify that, put the LCM and simply see. 5 6 are 30. So 4 have to multiply with the 6. Now 10 3s are 30. So 7 have to multiply with the 3. 15 2s are. So 8 multiply with the 2. Next 2 15s are 30. So 1 is multiplied with the 15. So 4 6s are 24. 7 3s are 21. 8 2s are 16. 1 15s are 15. So I put it LCM is 30. Okay, now which is the least number? That is small number is 15. So 15 fraction is what? 1 by 2. So I written first. Next is 16 by 30. 16 by 13 is which one? 8 by 15. So I written 8 by 15. Next is 21. So 21 by 30 which one? 7 by 10. So I written 7 by 10 there. So next is 24 by 30. So I written 4 by 5. This is ascending order. Small number to big number. Okay children? Descending order means big number to small number. Arrange the following in descending order. That is big to small. One by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. Okay children. So you have to find the LCM for what? Denominator for 2, 4, 8. Okay. Find the LCM for 2, 4, 8. So you know 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 2 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. LCM is what? LCM is 8. So for these fractions you can put 1 by 2 into 8 LCM. Next 3 by 4 into 8 LCM. Next 5 by 8 into 8 LCM. So you know that 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So what is 1 into 4? 1 into 4. Then 4 1s are, 4 2s are. That is 3 into 2. Next 8 1s are, 8 1s are. 5 into 1 by LCM 8. So 1 4s are 4, 4 by 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 by 8. 5 1s are 5 by 8. So denominator I made as a common. Now see numerator, which is the biggest number here. 4 6 5. 6 is bigger. 6 by 8 is which fraction? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Next is 5. 5 by 8 is what? 5 by 8 only. Next is 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. So this is descending order children. The fraction is arranged in descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. See which is big means here? 6 by 8. 6 by 8 is what? This fraction. 3 by 4. Next is 5 by 8. This one. Next is 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. This is arranged in a descending order. Okay. Now convert each of the following into decimal form children. Convert each of the following into decimal form. Fourth main children, convert each of the following into decimal form. Okay, they given first sum. See, 4 by 10 is given. So 4 is in which place? 10th place. In previous class you have learned that is in decimal. Here 123.456 means you know that is 100. Expand from 20 plus 3. After decimal point what you write? 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 6 by thousands. Okay, that is 10, 100, thousands. So 4 by 10 means what? This is a decimal point. See, 123.4 by 10, 5 by 100, 6 by 1000. That is 4 is in which place here? 10th place. So how will you write? 0.4 you will write, no, 0.4. They given like this. So if you divide also from 10 you divide 4. From this is big number, this is small, it's not possible. So what you will do? 0 is a 0. Then you take 4 down. Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4. Put a point, add a 0. 10 4s are 40. Okay children? So what is the answer? 4 by 10 is 0.4. But they given like this, 4 by 10 or 5 by 100 or 6 by 1000, what you will do? Left side you will put there 0 because no number is there, no, divided. 4 by 10 is 0.4. How will you write this? 5 by 100? 0 point, this is 0, 5. Because 5 is in 100 place. 10th, 100. 1000, how will you write children? 0.006. See, 10th, 100, 1000. I will show from 100 you divide 5. Okay. So 0s are 0. Okay, fine. Put a point, add a 0. 50 will not go. 100 zeros are 0. Now add 1 0. 100 5s are 500. Okay children. So if they give 5 by 100, you will write like this, 0.05. How it came? By divide also it came 0.05. Okay children, 100th place. After decimal point it is 10th, 100th. Okay. So they asked to express in the decimal, into decimal form. So 4 by 10 is equal to what? 0.4. See, I will show in the working column. From 4 you divide, so sorry, 10 divide 4. It's not 10 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Next, put a point, add a 0. 10 4s are 40. Okay children, that is 0.4. 2 by 3. 2 by 3, how will you write children? From 3 you divide 2. So here big number, here small number. So it's not possible. Zeros are 0. So right. Put a point, add a 0. How many times it will go? 3 6 are 18. Okay. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 0. If you add 0 also how much? 3 6 are 18. So this will be continuation. Okay. Again add also. So 0.66. Okay children. It will be continuation in decimal. Now 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 is how much? You have written 4 by 10 what? 0.4. So 5 by 10 is 0.5 because 5 is in the 10th place. See, after decimal point is 10th. So 0.5. So what you write for 3 by 8 children? So you do the division. Okay. From 8 you have to divide 3. What is possible? No. Put a point, add a 0. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So I go for 3. 8 3s are 24. So from 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 0. Again add 0. How much? 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 8s are 64. So 8 7s are how much children? 56. 8 7s are 56. So 5 10 4 0. Add 0. So 8 5s are 40. Okay. So what that is? 0.375. Okay children. So fifth one. So if they given 8 by 10 means 0.8, 3 by 10 means 0.3, 6 by 10 means 0.6 you will write. Okay. Now 1 by 6. 1 by 6 what you will do children? From 6 you divide 1. Zeros are 0, 1. Okay. put a point, add a 0. 6 ones are 6, it come 4. Okay, add 0. 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So 6 6 are 36. From 10, 6 will go 4, 0. Again add 0. How much? 6 6 are 36. Again it will be carry on. So 0.16. Okay children, this is the way of expressing the decimal system. By 6 children. How will you express 3 by 6? From 6 you divide 3. So you know that zeros are 0. You take the point 0. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Sorry. 0.5. Okay children. Next. 11 by 12. From 12 you have to divide 11. 12 ones are not possible, so 12 zeros are 0. Put a point, add a 0. 12 nines are how much children? 12 nines are 108. 9 twos are 18, 1 carry, 9 ones are 9, 108. So from 10, 8 minus is how much? 2, 0, 0. Now what you will do? Add 1 0. 12 ones are 12. So from 10 2 will go 8, 0. Again add 0. 12 8s are 12 8s are how much children? 8s are how much? 96. So I will go for the 7. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry. So that will be 84. So I will go for 6. 12 6 are 72. So it will be 0.916. Okay children, you go on divide like this, you will get the decimal point. So next class I will start activity 4, that one of add the following fractions, how you can add. Okay, we can learn next class. Today we have learnt about the comparison of a fractions and the convert it to decimal system. Then arrange in ascending order and descending order children. Thank you.